lumpia. Long lumpia.
Pork dapat. Pero tayo
Pork.
hip. Ay!
Ay, nako. Sausage. May perfect din.
Pork siya? Ah, dapat mas maano pork tayo beef kasi. Depende.
Lumpia wrapper first. And then, you get your mixture. This is, ano halo ng giniling kita?
Sure. Beef giniling with carrots, onions, and turnips. Turnips is simple.
Kaya masarap din. Tapos nilalagyan ng pepper or salt.
Ano, seasoning. Pepper and salt, yeah.
And then, get a small amount. Ayan. And then, inflate it. Siksik. Push it inside. Here. Like that. Fold to the side. And then the other side. Turn it. Turn it.
You can use plain water as sealer or egg white.
Egg white or water. Or using water. But I made almost like
Sa pagkalatag ng balat sa pinggan. Tapos, ganun na siya ng
Uy, nagawa ko na, tita. Perfect.
Plant yan, hindi yan bilog.
Hindi, wala pa na bilog.
Hindi yan bilog.
Hindi ba siya bilog?
Hindi yan plant.
Full concentration.
Kasi kamas na lagay yung dito mo. Kasi pag natuto siya, parang siya kala mo kasama lang siya ng giniling. So, hindi siya mukhang patatas. Hindi ka mukha ng patatas. Lasa mo patatas, di ba? Yan, parang, ano lang, yan.
Ay, ang
Pwede rin yan.
perfect.
That's good.
That's very, very, very perfect.
O, sige, tuloy mo yan.
Ako na yung pinaka. Yay! Ito naman tito matangkad. Perfect size. Tapos hindi siya flat na flat. Pero mas maganda pa rin yung kay tita.
Paliit yung dulo para sure kang na-seal
So
mo
ito po
siya.
yung, natupi ko nga siya pero bakit hindi kayo nag-stay?
Ayan, ayan. Meron konting tusok pero
Wow, amazing.
kailangan lang mo.
Ito yung perfect. Ito yung matangkad. Tapos yung nandun na sa ano yung maliit. Ito perfect to. Ang ganda na ito. Pinoy normal na to. Parang everyday ulam na ang lumpia. Saan kaya ka nagsimula? Tuloy-tuloy consistent na yung ano.
Ganda na siya sa puso.
you can put this in your freezer so you can store it indefinitely. You can use it for a long time. And then since it's already in the freezer and then you want something quick to eat, you just fry this up, and then you can eat it already. That's how fast pre-made lumpia cooks. And then mini lumpia, long lumpia. And then the perfect lumpia. And then look how different they are. So a perfect lumpia is perfectly wrapped on both sides. You don't see any of the meat coming out. I'll show you what it looks like if there's meat coming out. So this is where you see there's a bit of burns, because if it's a bit burnt, it means that the meat is coming out a bit. Just for basis on what the three looks like. There. This is the best. Perfect size. And here in the Philippines, you usually use these sauces. So it's sweet chili sauce or banana ketchup to pair with the lumpiang Shanghai. They're usually a common dip for lumpiang Shanghai. Let's eat. Let's eat. Let's eat.
Kay Jolo to tignan mo. Mari! Look at the lumpia, Shanghai.
Sausage. May
Yan. Yung on the left side kay Mari.
on the left side. On the left side.
Marami ka rin nagawa. Meron pa doon eh.